Okay, magandang araw mga kabarangay. Nandito ulit ako si Sir Pops making another video for my students in science. So, yung next video natin is about chromosomal mutation. Kasi yung sa last video natin na ginawa, ito siya, no? Quarter 3, week 3 homeostasis. And bago mag quarter 3, week 3, may week 2 tayo, feedback mechanism. And then, meron tayong role of hormones in male and female reproductive system. So, itong tatlong video na to, all of them are made for the third quarter. So, ito nga pala yung channel natin. So, kung nagugustuhan nyo yung mga videos natin, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Kasi marami kayong makukuha ditong information in terms of science, lalong-lalo na sa mga estudyante natin sa grade 10. No? So, tingnan natin to. Video muna. So, tingnan natin to. Week 2. Week 3. Quarter 3, week 2. So, tingnan natin yung mga message. So, thank you po sa mga tanong ninyo. May mga nagtatanong ako dito. So, ito nagustuhan ko yung tanong niya. An increase in the level of progesterone and estrogen was observed every time a female enters a new menstrual cycle. Will this increase in hormone levels cause any danger to the body or not? If not, how does our body keep us safe from the imbalance it may bring? So, sinagot natin siya. So, pag may questions po kayo sa mga videos natin, i-comment nyo lang po sa baba ng video na to o sa iba pang mga videos. Sasagutin natin kagad siya pag nagkaroon tayo ng time. No? So, hindi yan tumagal na mga siguro mga 3 hours lang tinagal na nasagot na natin kagad. So, dito naman sa isa. Yan. So, meron din po ditong comment. Sinagot niya yung isang tanong doon sa ating question. Sa last, sa first video natin. So, salamat po sa support mga viewers natin. Maraming salamat po. Okay, so let's start. So, ito bali, chromosomal mutation, quarter 3, week 4.1. Bakit week 4.1? Kasi dalawa yung magiging LAS natin, learning activity sheet natin para sa week 4, no? So, dalawang LAS ang marireceive ng ating mga bata, 4.1. Chromosomal mutation. So, let's start. When you copy from the blackboard, sometimes you make mistakes. In similar way, mistakes may occur when DNA is replicated. The change in the DNA sequence is called mutation. This may delete such protein or change its structure. Are you curious about what and how do these changes in DNA sequence affect organisms? Get ready to feed your curiosity and seek answer to your questions as you hop on and accomplish the task ahead. Okay. So, meron uli akong prepare na dito na picture. Now, if you're going to observe, this one is the original copy. Correct copy. Yan, correct copy. And this one is the mutated copy. Ito pong part na to, no? So, it's very likely possible to happen na magkakaroon ng mutated copy sa ating katawan, lalo na sa mga genes natin, no? So, it's very likely possible na magkakamali din ang ating DNA sa pag-replicate. Yan, ito yung nangyayari. Now, how interesting is this? No, may mga reason kasi tayo kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng mutation happens, kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng mutation. Una na dyan yung daily lifestyle natin, yung kinakain natin. Yan. Kadalasan nakukuha natin yan, yung mutation. Pangalawa, yung tinatawag natin na hereditary, na mamana natin. Yung itong klase ng mutation na to sa ating mga magulang. Okay? So, yun yung nangyayari. So, most essential learning competencies is, ito yung MELC natin, explain, how mutations may cause changes in the structure and functions of protein. Ayan. Explain how mutations cause changes in the structure and functions of protein. Ayan. So dito, ang nangyayari dito, kailangan ipaliwanag natin kung ano yung nagiging ano ba tawag dyan, effect ng pagkakaroon ng mutation, no, sa protein natin. Sa objectives natin, identify the different types of chromosome mutation. Number 2, differentiate gene mutation and chromosome mutations. And number 3, explain how chromosome mutation leads to disorder. So, when I was looking at the grade 9 book, science grade 9 book, tiningnan ko kung napag-aralan ba ng mga estudyante yung mutation. So, wala naman doon na nakalagay. They only have a knowledge about DNA. Yung DNA lang talaga, structure, yun lang meron sila. Pero dito, this is new to them. Chromosome mutation and gene mutation. So, ihimay-himayin natin to para mas maintindihan nila. So, kaya naglagay ako dito. Now, review on chromosome, gene, and DNA. A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. So, students should know this one. Genes are made up of DNA. Some genes act as instruction to make molecules called protein. However, refer to figure 2. However, many genes do not code for proteins. In humans, genes vary in size from a few hundred DNA bases to more than 2 million bases. An international research effort called the Human Genome Project, which worked to determine the sequence of human genome and identify the genes that it contains, estimated that humans have between 20,000 to 25,000 genes. Yan. Bago tayo pumunta doon sa mutation na sinasabi natin, chromosomal mutation, kailangan maintindihan muna ng mga bata, ninyo po lahat, no, sa mga viewers natin, kung ano yung pagkakaiba ng chromosome, ng gene, at ng DNA. Pag sinabi natin chromosome, meron tayong dalawang klase niyan, diba? We have the X chromosome and the Y chromosome. So, yung X chromosome na yan, yung mga Y chromosomes natin, dyan po nakalagay yung tinatawag nating mga gene. Ayan. Once you wrap that up, pag hinimay-himay mo yung chromosome natin, makikita mo yung gene natin na lumalabas. Ayan, gene. And, sa gene na yan, makikita mo sa loob niya yung tinatawag nating DNA, long strand DNA. So, ibig sabihin, DNA is just part of the gene, and gene is part of the chromosome. So, ano yung mas malaki? So, si chromosome, followed by the gene. Pag sinabi nating unit, in terms of unit, mauna si chromosome, doon nakalagay si gene, at si DNA naman, part siya ng gene. Okay. Guide question A. What particular part of the cell can we find chromosomes? Ayan. So, dito, sa part na to, makikita natin kung saan nakalagay yung ating chromosomes. Specifically, the DNA, no? So, kung nandun yung DNA natin sa chromosomes, makikita natin siya dito. So, anong part ito ng cell? So, meron tayong pangalan yun. It's called the nucleus. Nucleus. Wala nang ibang part ng cell kundi sa nucleus. Which do you think is bigger? DNA or gene? Yun, sabi ko na kanina. True or false? Gene is just part of the chromosome. So, is that true or false? Now, identify the 4 nitrogenous base of DNA. Hint, adenine or A is one of the 4. So, sa mga grade 10 natin, napagdaanan yun to sa grade 9. So, meron tayong A, T, C, G. No? A, T, C, G. A, T, C, G. Ano yung C, ano yung G, ano yung T? A, T, C, G. Ito, nakalagay na pala dito. Ito sa part na to ng ating picture. Now, let's go to the I deserve in explanation. Explain the different types of chromosomal mutation. Write the missing word. Use the figure 3 below as your reference. Write your answer in your answer sheet. Ayan. So, guide question A. Duplication. Ito na yung bali, chromosomal mutation natin. So, pag sinabi natin chromosomal, ito yung nag-mutate. No? Chromosomal mutation. Kasi may gene mutation tayo. So, chromosomal mutation. So, parang ito na si X and si Y. Now, duplication. Part of chromosome is, ano mangyari dyan? Ano nangyari dito? Just observe this one. This is the original copy, and then this one, ano nangyari? Mutated copy. Ito nakalagay. Okay? Resulting in duplicate section potentially increases gene expression. So, ito yung kasagutin ng mga bata. So, isipin lang nila kung ano yung word na pwede nila ilagay dito. Yan. Deletion. Now, let's go to this part. A portion of the chromosome is blank along with any genes contained in this segment. Ano yung nangyari dito? Deletion. So, from original copy, ano nangyari dun sa mutated copy? Anong ilalagay ka? Ito na. Para mas mapadali, nilagay ko na. Ayan. Okay. Now, inversion. A segment of a chromosome is removed and then blank within the chromosome and reverse order. So, from inversion, from correct copy to mutated copy, ano nangyari? Okay, ano pong nangyari sa kanya? A, B, E, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F. Ano nangyari po dito? Ayan. So, mutated copy. Translocation. Segments of two chromosomes are blank. May interrupt gene sequence. So, ito yung correct copy natin. Ito yung mutated copy natin. Ano pong nangyari dito? So, para mas madali sa mga bata, tatry lang nila to. Now, in that way, no? So, nadalian sila dun sa sa activity, sa guide question, matatandaan nila yon, no? Medyo madali lang kasi hindi naman natin kailangan i-push yung mga bata sa mas mahirap na activity, no? So dito pa lang duplication, alam niyo na isasagot dito. So yun yung pinaka-keyword. Okay? Now, ito yung chromosome mutation. Punta naman tayo sa gene mutation. Gene mutation. Pag sinabi natin gene, involved na dito yung 4 nitrogenous bases. Now, let's go to the types of genes. Substitution, one base replaces another. Insertion, one or more extra bases are added. Deletion, one or more bases are deleted. So, ayun na, nakalagay na yung definition. Now, let's look at the normal. So, ito yung normal natin, picture, sa figure natin. So, figure 4. So, ang arrangement ng DNA is AAA, ATG, CTT, CTC. That is the DNA. Now, if the mRNA will come in, ang pairing niyan is UUU, UAC, GAA, GAG. Now, bakit ganon? mRNA. So, dapat, ito walang knowledge yung mga bata nito, no? So, DNA lang sila ng grade 9. Bakit may pumasok na mRNA? Bakit may amino acid na dito? Ayan. Tinuturo ito sa protein synthesis. So, mas maganda na unahin ito kaysa dun sa protein synthesis para may background na. So, ang mRNA po natin is what we call messenger RNA. So, ito lang yung molecule natin na nakakapasok inside the nucleus para kopyahin yung information ni DNA na nasa loob ng nucleus. So, ibig sabihin sa mRNA, kinopya niya. Sir, di ba sabi mo kopya? Bakit may U? Ayan, bakit may U? Ito yung ginagamit ng mRNA as nitrogenous base. Pag siya ay kokopya, lahat ng A sa DNA, ang kapartner niya ay U. Lahat ng A sa DNA, ang kapartner niya ay U. So, ito yung normal copy. UUU, UAC, GAA, GAG. At ang amino acids niya ay phenylalanine, threonine, glutamic acid. Okay? Yun. So, let's go to the substitution. Ito na yung bali may mutation. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, AAA, ATG, TTT, CTC, same pa rin sa DNA. Same pa rin. Now, magkakaroon siya ng pagbabago. Mutated siya when it comes to mRNA. UUU, UAC, instead of G, dito, sa normal copy, naging A na siya dito. AAA, GAG. So, what happened? No? So, kapag nabago yung code natin sa mRNA, dito sa normal natin is GAA, dito naman magiging AAA, yung amino acid ay magbabago din. Ayan, magbabago din. No? Ayan. So, that is what we call the substitution. So, magkakaproblema tayo ng malaki dyan if one of the letters are changed. Now, let's go to the insertion. AAA, ganun pa rin sa DNA, pero dito sa mRNA niya, yung copy niya, let's go to the normal. GAA, ito yung normal, GAA, glutamic acid ang ano niya. So, naging GGA na dito. Naging gly na dito. GLY na siya. Tapos dito, GAG, AGA. So, nabago na yung amino acid. No? So, problema yan. Problemang malaki yan. Now, let's go to the deletion. Ano nangyari dito sa insertion? Ano nangyari sa insertion? Now, AAA, ganun pa rin sa DNA. Deletion tayo. mRNA, ACG, AAG. So, dito, from U, naging A siya. Naging A. So, CG. Tapos dito, from A dito sa normal, naging G siya. And then, from G dito sa normal, naging A siya. So, ibig sabihin, tatlo yung nabago na amino acid. No? Dito, sa insertion, dalawa. Dito sa substitution, isa. Isa yung amino acid na nagbago. Dito, dalawa yung amino acid. Dito naman, tatlo. Yan. Ano nangyari po? So, may explanation naman dito. Okay? Now, let's go to the guide question. Complete the mRNA sequence in the normal column of figure 4. Ito yung figure 4 natin. Now, we complete the mRNA sequence. Ibig sabihin, hanapin nyo lang dito yung mRNA. So, bigyan ko ng example. Wala pala akong example dito. UUU. Sa normal tayo. UUU. UAC. Yung pangalawa, UAC. And then, GAA. GAA. Ano yung next batch? So, kaya-kaya nyo na yan. Ganun din dito. Complete the mRNA sequence in the insertion column figure 4. Ano yung pangalawa? Ano yung una at pangalawa? Dito sa number 3. Ayan. Complete the mRNA sequence in the deletion column 4. Anong reason kung bakit ko to ginagawa? No? Para mas mapamiliarize natin yung mga bata doon sa sequence ng mRNA. So, dito pa lang, kasi nire-ready ko sila para sa protein synthesis, no? Kasi medyo mahirap din intindihin yan. Kaya, dapat naka-ready sila dito. So, 2 birds and 1 stone, maintindihan nila yung gene mutation and then prepared sila para sa protein synthesis. Now, let's go to question number 5. In figure 4, what changes occur from normal to substitution? Ano yung nagbago po dito? In figure 4, normal to substitution. Mula dito, papunta dito. Mula dito sa normal, papunta sa substitution, ano nangyari? So, ipapaliwanag nila ngayon yung nasa picture. In figure 4, what changes occur from normal to insertion? In figure 4, what changes occur from normal to nagdadoble yung insertion natin sa number 7. Okay lang yan. So, ipamigay na pati. In figure 4, what changes occur from normal to deletion? So, susundan lang nila yon. mRNA. RNA. Number 9. If mRNA change, what do you think happens to amino acid? Ano po magbabago sa amino acid kapag nagbago yung mRNA mo dito? Siyempre, mababago yung sequence ng amino acid mo. How many amino acid change from normal to substitution? How many amino acids changes from normal to insertion? And how many amino acid changes from normal to deletion? So, sinabi natin sa dito. Now, explain gene mutation. So, dito sa pag-explain ng gene mutation, ano yung nagbabago? Ano yung mga nagbago? So, papaliwanag mo lang yun. Dito may nagbago ba sa mRNA? Wala. Dito sa mRNA may nagbago ba sa substitution? Binibigyan ko na kayo ng clue. Now, a gene mutation, referred to figure 5, is a permanent change in the DNA sequence of a gene. Mutations can occur in a single base pair or in a large segment of chromosome and even span multiple genes. Mutation can result from endogenous occurring during DNA replication or exogenous environmental factors. So, ito nga yan, no? Pwede siya makuha sa environmental factors yung gene mutation. Ayan. Bigyan ko ng sample, ha. Kapag ang katawan natin ay kailangan ng sugar, ng insulin, ang insulin kasi is a hormone. So, ang insulin natin is actually created by our cell, no? Kapag mali ang sequence ng amino acid, hindi tayo makakabuo ng hormone na insulin. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaproblema pa rin. No? So, nangyayari yon sa protein synthesis natin, sa paggawa ng protein. Insulin kasi is a hormone that is made up of protein. Chromosome mutation, ito, i-compare na natin yung dalawa. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang gene mutation ay nangyayari sa gene, syempre. Sa DNA na mismo. No? Chromosome mutation, referred to figure 6, is an unpredictable change that occurs in a chromosome. These changes are most often brought on by problems that occur during meiosis, division process of gametes, or by mutagens, chemical radiation, etc. Now, ito yung X chromosome natin. Tingnan nyo to. Ibig sabihin, itong part na to is mutated part. Yun yung sinasabi ng ating figure 6. Abnormalities in chromosomal structure may occur during meiosis. The normal process of crossing over and recombination may be affected, such that chromosomes break and reunite the wrong segments. Refer to figure 7. Ito yan, paliwanag yan. If there is a loss or gain of chromosomal material, there can be significant clinical sequences. Mamaya, papaliwanag natin yung picture. Changes that affect the structure of chromosomes can cause problem with growth, development, and function of the body systems. These changes can affect many genes along the chromosome and disrupt the proteins made from these genes. Structural changes can occur during the formation of egg or sperm cell in fetal development or in any cell after birth. Pieces of DNA can be rearranged within one chromosome or transferred between two or more chromosomes. The effects of structural changes depend on their size and location, and whatever any genetic material is gained or lost, some changes cause medical problems, while others may have no effect on person's health. The gain or loss of chromosome material can lead to a variety of genetic disorder. Ito yan. Mamaya pag-usapan natin genetic disorder. Tingnan nyo to. Affected father, unaffected mother. So, normal gene yun, and may ganun. So, normal gene. So, ibig sabihin, si father ay merong defective na gene. Ito yung gene. Si mother naman ay merong siyang dalawang normal na gene. Yan. Pag nagkaanak sila, remember kung anong klase ng chromosomes meron ang lalaki at kung anong klase merong chromosomes ang mga babae. No? So, makikita natin dito kung sino yung affected at kung sino yung hindi. Iba kasi yung discussion nila. X and Y chromosomes. Iba ang discussion. So, ito, however, ito yung nangyayari kapag meron kang mutated chromosomes. Pwede yung mamana ng mga anak mo o namana natin sa mga magulang natin yung problema natin kapag meron tayong mutated gene. Examples are the following on the next page. May mga example tayo. Credit chat is caused by the deletion of part of the short arm of chromosome. Credit chat is French, and the condition is so named because affected babies make high-pitched cries that sound like a cat. Affected individuals have wide-set eyes, a small head and jaw, are moderately to severely mentally retarded, and very short. So, ito yung mga itsura ng ating credit chat. Figure 9. Down syndrome is usually caused by an extra copy of chromosome 21. Trisomy 21. Characteristics include decreased muscle tone, stockier build, asymmetrical skull, slanting eyes, and mild to moderate mental retardation. So, akala natin normal yung isang tao kapag nakikita natin siyang normal, pero yun pala, deep inside, meron pala siyang mutated copy of gene. Tingnan nyo po sa salamin yung mga sarili nyo, baka mutated na tayo na. Flattened nose and face upwards, slanting eyes, single palmar crease, short fifth finger that curves inward, and widely separated first and second toes, increased skin creases. Ibig sabihin ng ating Down syndrome. Figure 10, Edwards syndrome. Which is the second most common trisomy after Down syndrome? Is the trisomy of chromosome 18. Symptoms include mental and motor retardation and numerous congenital anomalies causing serious health problems. About 99% die in infancy. However, those who live past their first birthday usually are quite healthy thereafter. They have a characteristic hand appearance with clenched hands and overlapping fingers. Ito po yun. Small mouth, small jaw, short neck, occiput or back part of the skull is prominent. Dysplastic or malformed ears, shield chest or short and prominent sternum and wide set nipples. Flicks big toe, prominent heels. Now, let's go to the Jacobsen syndrome. It's also called terminal 11q deletion disorder. This is a very rare disorder. Those affected have normal intelligence or mild mental retardation with poor or excessive language skills. Most have a breathing disorder called Paris-Trousseau syndrome. So, ito yung kanilang example, figure 11. Klinefelter syndrome. Ito yun. Figure 11. Figure 11. Klinefelter syndrome, XXY. Men with this condition are usually sterile and tend to have longer arms and legs and to be taller than their peers. They are often shy and quiet and have a higher incidence of speech delay. Turner syndrome. Yeah. Yung part na to. X instead of XX or XY, female sexual characteristics are present but underdeveloped. They often have a short stature, low hairline, abnormal eye features, and bone development, and a cave-in appearance to the chest. Ito yung, bali ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ito yung mga usual mutation na nakikita natin. Now, after that, they are going to answer activity to what am I? Identify the genetic disorder being described in each number by arranging the scrambled letters. So again, babalikan lang to and then sasagutin to. Ayan. So madali na lang to para sa mga bata. Application. Answer the following questions. Write your answer in the answer sheet. Why do you think abnormalities, physical, mental happen when there is a single change in the DNA sequence? Ano kaya yung sagot doon, no? Why do you think abnormalities happen? A single change in a DNA. Abnormal na yung isang tao, no? Hindi naman sa mental lang to, abnormal, no? Meron ng iba kasi yung malaki kasi yung pagkakaiba ng 99% working sa 100% healthy, no? Magkaiba 'yon. Magkaiba siya. Ibig sabihin 100% wala kang problema. 'Yun, 100%. Pero kung 99% may problem pa rin. How can we prevent those abnormalities caused by mutation? Mape-prevent ba natin lalo na kung hereditary siya, no? Yung environmental factors pwede nating ma-prevent, no? Dalawa kasi, no? Yung environmental factors pwede nating ma-prevent siya. Pero kapag hereditary na siya, tingin ko mahihirapan kasi minsan mahirap ma-detect. Now, grade 10 students, my students, especially my students dito sa Masbate, please answer write your answer on the answer sheet. Dito po, nagsulat na ako dito. Pakilagay lang po sa answer sheet. Huwag nyo na po ibalik sa akin yung LAS nyo kasi sasagutin nyo yung magkakaroon po tayo ng summative exam at yun po yung gagamitin nyo as your reviewer. Paano nyo masasagot yung summative kung nasa akin yung LAS ninyo? Okay? So, kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa channel na to, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sir Pops TV. Ito po siya. And please comment na rin po kung may mga questions. And don't forget to subscribe again. Maraming salamat po. Thank you and God bless.